going to start by marinating the chicken, cottage cheese and the vegetables. We'll make a quick marinade by adding in some olive oil, some chili flakes. You could also use some fresh red chilies, some garlic, coriander, lemon juice, a little bit of paprika powder and some Cajun spice or Creole spice or any taco spice that you may have. Give it all a nice mix. So we've used the marinade to marinate some cottage cheese, some chicken breast or chicken thighs and some vegetables. We're using some peppers, a little bit of mushrooms. So to grill the vegetables and chicken, we're using a grill pan which is on medium to high flame. We'll add in the vegetables first, cottage cheese and some chicken on the side. We're going to move on to making some beans for the bowl. Heat some olive oil or some vegetable oil. Add in some garlic, some minced onions. Cook it for about 5 minutes. We're going to add in the beans. Add in a pinch of salt, some cumin powder and some Mexican spice mix. We've added in some coriander, a little bit of water and we're going to cook the beans for about 2 to 3 minutes till they are nice and saucy. Now that the beans are cooked, we're going to start with the Mexican rice. Heat some olive oil or vegetable oil, some garlic, some onions, adding in some tomatoes, some green peppers, some Mexican spice mix, some paprika powder, some cumin powder, salt and red chili flakes. Cook everything for about 2 to 3 minutes before you add in the rice. We're going to now add in the rice. We're using some brown rice. You could use some regular white rice. The rice has to be completely cooked before you add them to the mixture. Add in a hint of lemon juice, some coriander and give it all a nice mix. Toss the rice for about 1 to 2 minutes and you can take it off the flame. Just before we begin to build the bowl, we're going to make a quick dressing for the leaves. We're adding in some olive oil, a little bit of lemon juice, some apple cider or white wine vinegar, a bit of chili flakes, salt, brown sugar or regular sugar, and a pinch of the Cajun spice or any other Creole spice. We're going to give this a nice mix. To build the bowl, we'll add in some rice, add in some leaves. You could use rocket, arugula, iceberg, any salad leaves. We'll add in the beans on one side of the bowl. For the vegetarian bowl, we are adding in the cottage cheese and some vegetables. You can also add in some boiled corn. Added in some avocados. Finally, a little bit of the dressing on the leaves, avocados and the corn. And you could add a dash of sour cream. Similarly, we're going to build our chicken bowl. We're adding in the chicken, some avocados, add in the corn, finally some dressing and a dash of sour cream.